I have put in the canvas you said you told me to put inside. I can show here this one, and before I had that canvas plugged in, I had this one, and I had sound. But now I have this one, and I have chosen the canvas type you told me to choose. But I have no sound in the car. I can just show you. As you can see, there is no sound in the car. Nothing. But I'm not sure what it is. And you can also see here, there is no sound in the car. No sound at all. I don't think it is something to do with the configuration. I don't think it is something to do with this. I think there's something mistake with that canvas. It doesn't work. I have chosen all the canvas types. I have also chosen this one and this one. I have also chosen all this one, and also the canvas types here. I have also chosen this one. It doesn't work. It doesn't work. But when I put this one canvas, the sound works great. But I cannot use these buttons or steering wheel here. So I don't know. I think you have to send me a new canvas, or else it won't work.